By using the telephone history, you can add contacts, call contacts, review or delete history, etc. To enable history record via the phone user interface, enter the menu, select Call Features, select Others, and then select General. In the History Record area, select Enabled and press Save. To review the history, press the History soft key to enter the History Record interface. Use the left and right navigation key to view records for numbers dialed, numbers received, no answer calls, or calls forwarded. Press the upper and lower keys to select the record to be checked. Press Option and select Detail to review information. To add contacts from call history, select the desired entry. Press Option and select Add to Contacts. After editing is completed, press Save to accept the change. To place or cancel a call from the call history, press the Send soft key to call the contact directly or press Delete to remove them from call history.